Hello, ISEC Slovakia. My name is Bogdan Apet. I have been an ISEC member for the last 2.5 years. I have a strong social entrepreneurial skill that was put to use in opening and developing ISEC to Java. I am the change means, in my opinion, that me as a person, also you, have both the responsibility and the opportunity to make a change and use what ISEC gives you and improve your local environment. This is my strategy structure. It looks like the Dogo Competence model. Okay, first we have engaged in developing the course in the world, the 2015 internal edition. It's going to be sustained by local committees that are going to rely on and developed by some focus areas. These focus areas were made by me regarding the current context of ISEC and Slovakia as a country. Okay, first we have engaged in developing the course in the world. After talking with the AI members and seeing the IC output, these are the 4 focus areas that ISEC is going to have in the next 5 years. First, we're going to have organizational behavior for exchange plus leadership. Basically, the focus for integrating experience to our members is going to be greater than in the last 5 years. Experience ISEC virtually. What does ISEC virtually experience mean? Is actually to capitalize on the social media and the internet wave and export, let's say, the ISEC experience to other young people in the world. In cities like that don't have ISEC or to people that aren't ISEC members. Sustainable operation doesn't mean only, okay, let's do this stuff in a financial manner, but also using the human resource needed in order to have an impact, in order to have a sustainable impact regarding our resources. Driving growth means not only improving our numbers and experiences. Driving growth means key partnerships with key organizations and helping them achieve their specific issues. This is the current draft of the new ISEC experience. So it's going to have Engage ISEC XP. Engage ISEC XP means basically the merger of induction to ISEC and TR and externalizing it. Do not think of externalizing it in terms of trainings or other stuff like that, because it's a draft and we're going to be very creative in using this. The next one is Exchange plus Leadership stage, and the fourth one is Impacting ISEC Experience. What does Impacting ISEC Experience mean? It's going to be basically the ramp and the bridge between our members in the Heading for the Future stage and our alumni to the external environment. Basically, this is going to be the most important stage in my opinion, because this is how we show the world that we're actually doing something and bringing that change that we're talking about. Okay, back now to local committees. ISEC Slovakia currently has 7 local committees. These are 2 blind spots, not only for the design, but also because I want to, from my research and from my determination, I believe that Slovakia can open at least 2 more LCs. Okay, these are the focus areas. First one, LC coaching and preparation. How do I plan to achieve this? LC coaching, the MCVP LC development, me. It's going to be also the LC coach. The LC coach is going to help in planning, downscaling information, and tracking the LC's activity. The LCs are going to have a patron helper, or I'm going to find another creative name for this. Okay, what does this position mean? That every LC is going to have a member from the MC to help them in the most important stages, like recruitment, planning, and stuff like that. Why shouldn't the LCD do this? Well, because there are similar LCs and the recruitment and the planning stage happen all at the same time. At preparation level, we're going to have the AI. The AI is going to give us the direction. Basically, we have the direction. It's called the midterm vision. And also, they're going to give us the trends and information. The MC should customize the direction from the AI regarding the current environment and status of the local environment, and also transmit the trends and information. The LC should align to national direction and engage their members to achieve it. LC preparation and sustainability. Performance. Okay, you have here the downfalls from the quarter 4 2010. You have Exchange plus Leadership, Exchange, and Leadership goals. For Exchange plus Leadership, Slovakia is ranked number 41. Why Slovakia and not the LCs? Because the LCs give the performance of the country. So in order to increase Exchange plus Leadership, we're going to have the East plus Seeds partnership, creating a frame for exchange before leadership, and strong integration strategy. Regarding the exchange growth, we're going to have LC to LC partnerships, LC to MC partnerships, and MC to MC partnerships, and also focus more on raising TNs at NGOs. In the leadership opportunities, in order to increase and offer more opportunities for our members, we're going to have to create leadership positions regarding the goal setting for each member. We're going to have to implement flexible department structures and also run more projects and initiatives in our LCs. Okay, LC expansion and analysis. This is the analysis regarding the exchange. I believe that in the next year we should have a more clear analysis regarding the LCs and their environment, the cities and their pools, because we need to find out what are the key areas in which an LC can perform and improve. LC expansions find out exactly where are the best cities and where are the places where we can create new LCs. Okay, now let's go to the current context. This is Slovakia's current context. The number of people, the GDP, the life expectancy, the unemployment and inflation, and the main fields of industry. Now these are the main student organizations. These are the organizations that I believe we should make partnerships with in order to help them achieve their targeted issues, in order to make those issues disappear. This is the current ISEC Slovakia's status. As you can see, the focus on ISEC is on MMT, which is very good for the sustainability of the country, but I believe we should also improve the DT side on the ICX, and also we should have a greater balance between incomings and outgoings country-wise. Okay, this is my strategy. I am Bogdana Petri, running for MCVP Local Community Development ISEC Slovakia, and I'm waiting for your questions. Thank you.